The fire was starting, I think it's 4 o'clock in the morning. The guy I was speaking with, it was the neighbor where the fire was started. He said he saw that guy go to the tap with a bucket to bring the water. And he said to him, there is a fire starting in his house. So he came and that guy, he goes to because it's not that old, I think it's that age of 16, outside to pee. So he saw this one. So that one, he goes to his mom and wake him up that the fire is started. And the fire, once it started the fire, it comes rapidly like that because the shafts are close by to each other. The reason why it happens like this, we don't have the space to each other. We have only the part. I think a small part just to pass by with a bucket of water. You cannot take anything out.